What? Are you kidding? No, I swear. You don't hear him whistling? He's like, oh, what is that? What's up, guys?
Not much. What's up, Madre?
A long time.
Yeah, it's been for freaking ever.
Oh my gosh. She
Hey.
was in the closet.
Oh my god.
Is that what you? I thought. Oh, well, you're like, oh, dang. You're here. I thought you wanted
Come here.
something.
Come here.
Finish school.
What's that you got there?
Thank you.
Ready?
You got tall and heavy.
Damn it.
Well, yeah.
1 A and 2 B's.
What are you scared the wrong person. You scared the wrong person. I kind of got scared though. Still.
Wow.
Did you get scared?
Wow, Olivia's scared.